Kawaii Rainbows too, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing $100 worth of slime from Kawaii Slime Company, including shipping costs.
We want to give a shout out to these amazing subscribers. If you want a chance to be featured in one of our future videos, comment down below a video suggestion or a positive comment with the hashtag Kawaii Rainbows 2 fam. And as always, links to all the shops that we reviewed in this video will be in the description box down below, as well as a link to our Instagram, so make sure to follow us on there. We also wanted to announce that once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we will be hosting an amazing giveaway to show our appreciation for all of your support.
The extras included a slime activator and deactivator, a slime guide, an adorable squishy scented like peaches, as well as an extra slime.
The extra slime that they included is called Lychee Bubble Tea and is listed for $18 on their website. This is such a creative and aesthetic slime that came topped off with multicolored pom-poms and beads that perfectly resemble tapioca pearls. Unfortunately, the tapioca pearl beads did bleed quite a bit, but this was a very thick, clear slime that was great for bubble pops and had such a refreshing yet sweet scent.
The first slime that we ordered is a 7.5 ounce Melon creamy soda, which costs $18. This also came in the same cute container as Lychee Bubble Tea. This was also a thick, clear slime that included a cloud cream slime that had a smooth and creamy texture. It was then topped off with an adorable cherry charm. Once mixed, it created a puffy and unique texture. Since each slime had a different scent, it resulted in a creamy and sweet melon scent.
The next slime in this package is Green Goddess, which costs $13 for a 6 ounce. This was such a gorgeous slime due to the seashell sequence, assortment of glitter, iridescent flakes, and the sparkly mermaid tail charm that was included. This was a sugar scrub slime that was not tough and had little to no bead fallout. This slime not only created the best bubble pops and crunches, but it also inflated a ton.
We also ordered an 8 ounce cherry blackberry and French vanilla for $15. This slime was packaged in a super cute macaron container that contained a purple clear slime along with a creamy white cloud dough. The slime also included 3 berry charms. Once mixed, it resulted in a creamy cloud cream texture that not only inflated but had a sweet berry scent.
The next slime in the package was an 8-ounce birthday cake cheesecake. This slime was also packaged in a macaron container that contained a thick cloud cream as well as a glossy slime. This slime included a strawberry charm along with some rainbow sprinkles and had an amazing birthday cake cheesecake scent. After being mixed, it resulted in a spreadable cloud dough.
The next slime from the shop is a 6-ounce Blue Magic Bowl, which costs $14. Once the slime was activated, it had a nice thick texture. This slime included some pastel rainbow foam beads, an assortment of fruit charms, along with some rainbow neon glitter. This slime had such a beautiful vibrant blue color that did slightly stain your hands but was easy to wash off. It also had a really sweet yet creamy fruity scent. This slime was great for bubble pops and was also very clicky.
The final slime in this package was an 8-ounce DokiDoki that cost $18. This was a beautiful crystal clear slime that not only came with adorable packaging but also included multiple Valentine's Day themed charms. We loved how the slime was very thick, clicky, and great for bubble pops. This slime was also intended to preserve the clarity. The prices for some of the slimes may seem very high, but are still reasonable considering the cost of elaborate packaging and numerous charms. We love how unique and creative all their slimes are and the adorable packaging.